Today I'm going to address why there hasn't been any hype boxes on the channel in a long time. That's basically all I got for you.
Hey.
Well, hello there. Nice to see ya. Sort of. I don't actually see you. If I did, that'd be really creepy. Hello. Thanks for taking the time out of your day to watch this video. I appreciate it. I'm SB Mitch, and I pride myself on being weird on the YouTube. Here's my handle that you can follow me on Twitter or Instagram at, and I also have a website. It's called Ransom Note Sneakers, and it updates every Friday at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, unless otherwise specified. Big words.
This is unexpected.
Before we get started into haul series number 60-something or other, reminder that this Thursday, March 28th at 10 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, I'm going to be unboxing a Soul Supremacy beater box valued at $800 live on this here website, which is youtube.com/SBMitch. But yeah, that should be pretty fun. I've done a couple live streams before. It's nothing fancy. It's just a cool way to do things. So drop by this Thursday at 10 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time and unbox a beater box with me, because that'll be a good time. But today's video is one of these. First thing is first, this is a pickup from, I can't even make a joke about it. It's from Sneakers. It's a release from last weekend. Yeah, last weekend. The weekend I was at SneakerCon. I got a pair for my brother because he is a big fan of all things space related and a big fan of the Air Max 90 silhouette. So this is Nike Red Box. It's his size 10.5. This is the Nike Air Max 90 Quick Strike, the Mars Landing. These are kind of wild. These play off of the Moon Landing Air Max 90s from like the late 2000s or mid 2000s, I don't remember. The entire upper is 3M, but you can see the details. Let me put the light over here. You can see the details. It looks like the surface of Mars, and apparently the tread is some kind of tire design from one of the rovers. I don't remember which one. These are actually really cool in hand. They come with extra laces too, so that's really neat. Nike Air branding on the back. On the Moon Landing, there was the American flag and I think Stars and Stripes too, so they have uniformity on this pair. This is actually a really cool pair. I do not mind this at all. I'm not a huge fan of the speckled midsole, and it is textured, which is kind of a cool thing to make the shoe a little more gimmicky, but these are going back to Ohio to my brother. So Kyle, these are coming your way. Got this from Nike as an oop for my brother. That's the first thing out. Secondly, this comes to us from Soul Steals. Soul Steals is a $20 a month membership website through Soul Supremacy, but you basically pay 20 bucks a month, as I just said, because I'm redundant, and they give you access to like beater boxes, hype boxes, some streetwear, a lot of shoes that are under market. And there was just a pair on there I wanted to get, so I got it. But this was a good size with a good price tag, and also just an excellent shoe. It's a Jordan 1 in a size 10.5, and they look glittery, so you know it's good. It's a pair of 2016 band ones, bread ones, whatever you call it. This I got for a really good price, under market, as I said, from Soul Steals. You'll notice, I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up, but there's glitter all over the black part. That is something that happens with Jordan 1s with black leather from this era. Nobody seems to know why. I'm not a scientist, so I'm not gonna look into it, but the quality on these is pretty good. It's a dead stock pair, obviously. They just need to be wiped off with a cloth to get the glitter off here, but good price, soulsteals.com. Excellent pair of sneakers. And last but not least, this is like his 96,000th time on this channel. Someone I always just get absolute steals from. And he's also just a phenomenal human being. You should follow him on Twitter. His handle is @DroneKicks. Really good. Ah, look at this. Take notes, everybody. This is how you pack a pair of sneakers, so it doesn't bounce around and doesn't get damaged in transit. So awesome. But if you couldn't tell from the inside of the box, which I just showed you, it is a Jordan 1. It is a size 11, so it is my size if I choose to keep it. This is the Pine Green Jordan 1, but it's got the green toe box, white creamish side panel, and the green on the heel and the anklet, and then black on the mud guard and everywhere else. These released alongside the Court Purple ones. I'm not a huge fan of green or purple. This pair is actually okay. I like the color blocking on this, but I got it for an absolute ridiculous price from an absolutely ridiculously awesome dude, the Droner. Follow him on Twitter @DroneKicks Just a phenomenal dude, great pair of shoes, great human being. Can't say enough nice things about him. And if I didn't stop myself, I wouldn't be able to. So thank you, my friend, I appreciate it. And that is this week's Flex video. Thank you again to the droner, and that's really all I really have to thank. So I brought up a topic at the beginning of the video about hype boxes and where they've been on the channel. I'm gonna explain to you why you aren't seeing them now and probably won't ever see them again in this week's installment of Unpopular Opinions. So I'm just gonna talk from the cuff here. I don't really have a brain idea. That's a real thing. A lot of you may have jumped on the SB Mitch train from watching hype boxes, which are boxes from Soul Steals with a bunch of like Bape, Supreme, sometimes sneakers in them. As you know, it's tax season, so I went back through my books and I found that hype boxes are just, for me personally, not very profitable at all. And there's nothing wrong with that. I'm not saying Soul Steals is swindling anybody. That is not the case at all. Soul Steals is a super legit, awesome company you should be buying from, but the hype boxes are just not for me. For basically two reasons. Number one, as I said before, they're just not profitable. I probably did everything wrong. I'm just not really good at selling streetwear. That's just all there is to it. And number two, Supreme, Bape, Antisocial Social Club, that kind of stuff, I'm gonna be honest with you, I just don't care. Streetwear is not a thing that I just care about. And that's totally fine if you do. I think everyone should be able to like what they like. I think we should all be able to make fun of ourselves at the same time, but I think everyone should be able to like what they like and not be judged for it. I just don't care about streetwear. I don't wear Supreme, I don't wear Bape, I don't wear ASSC, so I will no longer be buying hype boxes. So that frees up the ones that I'd be buying for you to go buy them if you want. So definitely check out Soul Steals, soulsteals.com. Their membership is $20 a month. Hype boxes are actually really cool and really fun to open. They just don't have anything in there that I particularly like, especially lately because they're not doing sneakers that often. It is what it is, but from this point forward, you will not be seeing hype boxes. It's just not for me. It's not my thing. We're gonna be sneaker-centric on this channel. So that's basically all there is to it. Thanks for taking the time out of your day to watch this video. Remember, this Thursday, live unboxing of an $800 Soul Supremacy beater box at 10 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That's gonna be a great time. I hope to see you in the live chat. There will also be a normally scheduled beater box opening the next day, which I actually already filmed, but I'm just gonna be uploading it this Friday. So, appreciate you taking the time. I will see you this Thursday for the live video. Till then, take care of each other. And remember, if you're not having fun doing it, find something you love doing and do that, because it's the easiest way to be happy. Bye! See you Thursday.